morning the sad news about the girl named Shanquilla Robinson. But just vex, say she never invite her family them instead of some so-called bad mind friends that she say she have. Cause them bad mind the girl, you know? Cause she put most of the money, so the fuck. Seriously, mama, you should spend the money with them pig and never kill you off. Yeah. And you spend most money on the fucking trip with some people where hate your blood clots. Actually, you have a life and them don't have none. That's why, but in a life, Carlo, a 2 time I go out with people to just like she, you know. I'm find out say woman will invite you out. When them see oh you really see if you're a good person better than them, then become a different person. Me no go out with people again, cause you're the better off if you really go out by your own. Yeah, you're the better off. I invite your family them, you're the live you're the there today. Them girl them bad mind and I hope them lock up. Me say the whole of them forget lock up, all the man them forget lock up, cause no fight no supposed to go on. That's them do all of that and the man them don't even know. It's a very sad thing. Very, very sad. You can't even trust the people them when you say you're afraid. You can't trust nobody. But me just vex she never go with her family them instead. Some fucking pagan girl when I really like her. Cause I don't like her. She put most of the money for the trip. And them kill she, where the supplier, them is a wicked set of friend. I hope the whole of them perish in a jail. All them man them forget lock up. Me don't think none of them forget a pass. I'm ignorant, yo. Me just vex she could never carry her family them instead. Yeah, man, it's sad, man. Yeah, but next time, when you're gonna go by yourself or you carry your family them, but the fuck you carry a woman go, will eat you, through you have a life and them now none. I hear them hate the girl because she have a life. Yeah, but it's sad though. But R.I.P. to Shanquilla Robinson. Yeah, man, and you black women, stop at just other women, because other women don't like, you know. Them just pretend. Because them can't beg you, because through them can't beg you, make them do their round you.
So come on, let it go, just let it be. Why don't you be you? And I